Well, they're here and they're shipping for free. The Carryon HD model GB220 is shipping now to anybody that orders from CarryonUSA.com. Now, this is a brand new unit from Golden Technologies. This is the HD version of the standard, well, famous Carryon GB120. The 220's right here. It's going to fold down to 14 inches, and it is cruise and TSA approved with the overall width at the wheelbase of only 20 inches. So if you're a cruiser, this is a great mobility scooter to take on a cruise. Now, we have upgraded the seat to the comfy seat, and we're actually giving you an extra battery. Now, right beside me is our Power Wheel chair in the Carryon series, which is a great chair, compact, small, center wheel drive, Power Wheel chair. You can get just about anywhere with that chair. It also comes with a TSA battery and quick disconnect for easy loading into the car. And then there's the famous GB120, the original, the start of the Carryon series. Leverage load is the key to this mobility unit. All you have to do is remove the seat, fold down the tiller, but the leverage load is important. Check out all of our videos on these products and follow us. These two people bought one and loved it. So did he. And yeah, we're moving these quick, ship them all over the place. You can customize the color. We have many different colors. Here's one in yellow, and it just looked different. He liked it. So give us a call. Fits in just about any vehicle at 803-926-2224, or visit us at CarryonUSA.com.